So the location for the Central High School lab is located at Aurora High School, but you need to go into the back parking lot, which the back parking lot is right back here. So when you go in, you go up Paris Street down here, and make sure that if you go up Paris Street down here off of what is that Delmar Circle down here, you go up Paris Street, and then you go right into the driveway in the back parking lot, and then these are all the parking spaces you could park in. APS Online is right down this alleyway, and then you ring in right here in the back part of Aurora Central. So here's the door, the button to ring in to get into the lab. All right, and that's how you get in for the interview. We'll see you on Tuesday, May 29th. Thanks.